Good day, eh? Ready to dive into the world of a mechanic apprentice? Let's talk about a day in the life of a mechanic apprentice. It's a journey filled with learning, hard work, and a lot of grease. These young lads and ladies are the future of the trade, so they gotta start right. They're not just learning to fix cars, they're learning a craft, a skill that will serve them for life. First things first, you arrive at the workshop. Punctuality is key. You can't be late. The day starts early and there's a lot to get done. Now this ain't no fashion show, but you gotta look the part. Uniform on, safety gear ready. Safety is paramount. You can't afford to be careless. And a good attitude is key. You need to be ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Next up, morning meeting. Everyone gathers round and the head honcho lays out the day's game plan. This is where you get your marching orders. What jobs are on deck? Who's working on what? Gotta be organized, right? Without a plan, the day can quickly turn into chaos. So, being organized is crucial to ensure everything runs smoothly. Alright, now the real work begins. The morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. It's not just about getting ready, it's about preparing yourself mentally and physically for the tasks ahead. Before you even think about touching a car, you gotta make sure your tools are in tip-top shape. This means inspecting each one, ensuring they're clean, functional, and ready for use. A well-organized toolbox is the hallmark of a professional, no excuses. Each tool has its place, and you gotta know how to use them properly. Familiarity with your tools can save you precious time and prevent costly mistakes. It's all about efficiency and precision. A good mechanic apprentice treats their tools like gold, eh? Regular maintenance of your tools ensures they last longer and perform better. It's an investment in your craft and your future. Once the toolbox is sorted, it's time to meet the patient. The car, that is. Every vehicle has its own story and it's your job to uncover it. Every good mechanic knows that a thorough inspection is crucial before any work begins. This initial check can reveal hidden issues and help you plan your approach. We're talking checking the fluids, making sure everything is at the right level and in good condition. Neglecting this step can lead to bigger problems down the line. Examining the belts and hoses, looking for any signs of wear and tear. These components are vital for the car's operation and any issues here need immediate attention. And plugging in the diagnostic tools to see what the computer's saying. Modern cars are complex and these tools help you get to the root of the problem quickly. Gotta diagnose the problem before you can fix it, right? Understanding the issue is half the battle. With the right information you can make informed decisions and provide the best care for the vehicle. Lunch break. Time to refuel the body and rest those muscles after a busy and productive morning. But as soon as that lunch whistle blows, it's back to the grindstone, ready for action. The afternoons are usually when the bigger, more challenging repair jobs get tackled. This is where the real, hands-on learning happens. Apprentices get to work alongside experienced mechanics, watching, learning, and lending a hand whenever they can. As the day winds down, it's time to clean up the workshop. The hustle and bustle of the day slowly fades as the mechanics start to put things in order. Tools get put back in their place, floors get swept, and everything is organized meticulously. Each tool has its own spot, and it's important to keep it that way for efficiency and safety. Workbenches are wiped down, removing the grime and grease accumulated throughout the day. A clean bench is essential for precision work and maintaining the quality of the tools. A clean workspace is a happy workspace and a safe one too. It not only boosts morale but also ensures that everyone can work without unnecessary hazards. But the learning doesn't stop there. The end of the day is also a time for reflection and growth. Before heading home, apprentices have a debriefing session with their supervisors. This is a crucial part of their training. They talk about what went well, what challenges they faced, and how they overcame them. This discussion helps them understand their strengths and areas for improvement. They share what they learned that day, whether it's a new technique, a better way to handle a tool, or a lesson in teamwork. It's all about continuous improvement, eh? Celebrating small victories and learning from mistakes is key to becoming a skilled mechanic. Another day done and dusted for a mechanic apprentice. They leave the workshop with a sense of accomplishment and readiness for the next challenge. It's hard work, no doubt, but it's also rewarding. The satisfaction of fixing something with your own hands is unparalleled. After all, these young folks are learning a valuable trade that'll stay with them for life. They're not just building machines, they're building their futures.